Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name's Bailotron and today we're going for a little blast. There's a couple of little places I do like to go now and again. Let me show you some of them. A very old car. You'll watch out for the deers around here. Oh, looks like we've bumped into another biker. Oh, we haven't turned that one on. Hello there. Yes, this is a lovely part of the world, ladies and gents. This is the Cannock chase. What's better than riding your bike through the woodlands? I would like to thank everybody for sticking with me after you've seen that latest video. Yeah, thank you very much. Believe it or not, the Cannock Chase is not a nature reserve. It's actually a gigantic wood farm. Proven there. Was that too quick? But anyway, they cut it down. It's like a pie section, so they'll fell a section, replant it, and then move on to the next section, do the same, move on to the next section, do the same, and by the time they get back to the first section, it's fully grown again. Just a big farm. There's certain areas which is reserved, obviously, the Go Ape, places like that. Let's go left. Goodbye, sir. There's a perfect example. So where it's been cut down, they'll replant all that. The reason I'm revving the bike out, by the way, is because when I first get on it, for some reason the gears kind of stick. I have to throttle it a little bit and then it'll slip into gear okay. Don't know why that is. It only happens for the first 10 minutes or so and then it goes back to normal. Anybody knows what that is? Please let me know in the comments. This is also well known for the black-eyed children. Thank you very much, buddy. Anyway, like I was saying, the black-eyed children is meant to be over here. Don't know how true that is. Come on. Still a bit of crap on these roads. This place is on my doorstep. Very rarely come over here, but people from all over come to have a look at this place. It's outstandingly beautiful, but because it's on your doorstep, you don't notice. Here's a fellow biker. And this, ladies and gents, is the Go Ape. This place gets absolutely ram-packed in the summer, and for good reason. Oh, all those logs over there down. It's big with mountain biking over here. If you do get a chance, come over here. It's actually a really good place to visit. And it's got some pretty good roads. Just be careful of the deers, like I said, and cars pulling out places like this. You've got to be very careful. You don't want to go down there. Are we recording? Yep. What a beautiful view. Yeah, I think that derives Obviously the black-eyed children I'm talking about. It derives from, there was a serial killer back in the 60s, 70s. And he used to kill kids. He's an absolute horrible piece of, yeah, I'm not going to say the word. But yeah, that's what it stems from. That's enough about that. Let's crack on with the ride. If you want to look it up, it's all over Google. Oh, there's also campers here. Oh, and Bigfoot. Yeah, don't forget Bigfoot. Into a 30. This down here is called Bliffield Reservoir. When we get there, that is. All the best corners destroyed because of a white van. Thank you. That's better. And relax. Yeah, so I went out on Sunday and I tried to record a video. It kind of went pear-shaped though, because I tried to run in what was it, 60 frames per second, and my laptop was saying nope, that is not happening. I had to delete all the footage. Gutted. Lesson learned. What a beautiful place. The only trouble is with this bridge, you really want to give it some, but you're not allowed. Let's get the drone in the air. Let's have a look at this place from above. What a gorgeous view. Hey, look at that. Can anyone complain? Let's get the drone in the air. There you go. That was Bliffield Reservoir. And now I need drone practice. Don't mention it too much. I was hoping to see a bike come flying down here, but nope. I smell farmland. Oh no, look at all this on the road. Damn it. Oh no, 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 no. Good afternoon, gents. I'd like to give Teapot One a big shout out because, believe it or not, he's subscribed to my channel. Of all people, Teapot One subscribed to Bailatron. Thank you very much, sir. Now that's enough smoke blowing up your rear end. Let's get on with the video. I've always wanted to go here, KI Cath. Never been here. Under new management. I didn't know what the old management was like. Oh, look, another speed triple. Well, that was off the cuff. Well, we're here now, so I'm going to grab a quick coffee and I'll speak to you guys soon. Well then, ladies and gents, it's been an enjoyable ride. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit that little bell icon. That way you get notified of any future videos, which will be every week, with a bit of luck, that is. Until next time, this has been Bailatron. Ride safe, and I'll speak to you soon.